Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating immediate barriers that change how your phone feels. First, set a specific goal, for example, limit screen time to 2 hours per day or schedule a 30-minute focus block. Once done, silence non-essential notifications and switch the display to grayscale so the device becomes less stimulating. Make sure to reduce home screen clutter to one essentials page. Use built-in app limits and hide addictive apps. These early steps stop automatic checks and give you breathing room. You now fill the gap with replacement routines that satisfy the urge for stimulation. Choose 3 concrete alternatives: a 10-minute walk, 5-minute journaling in a notebook, or a brief phone call with a friend, and schedule them into your day. Once done, mark phone-free windows on your calendar and set physical cues like a charger outside the bedroom. Make sure to review weekly usage reports with an accountability partner so you can adjust what's working and what needs tighter limits. You finish by turning new habits into a sustainable system. Reinforce wins, celebrate any day you stay under your target, and gradually tighten limits if needed. Once done, optimize your environment. Keep your phone out of the bedroom and use Do Not Disturb during sleep. If you relapse, don't panic. Identify the trigger, then swap a problematic app for a specific activity. Make sure to tweak one variable at a time, and check in weekly so small improvements compound into lasting change.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.